Whoa, I'm Caleb.
I'm Sasha.
And I'm Casper.
Casper, over here.
And I'm Casper.
And I'm Corey. And we're Teck Clips, a clip to organize all your cords and cables for your convenience.
We talked to about 75 people about our product, and their feedback is what helped us continue. We found that it was a big enough problem to solve, and that we need to target students not only in high school, but college too. Then we asked middle-aged adults, and they agreed that the product was necessary. So our target market ended up being high school, college-age students, as well as middle-aged workers in the workplace.
It was hard talking to some of our target marketers because some felt the product was an accessory that was unnecessary. Many found our problem not a top priority, but still found it an easy fix. This is why we want to make our product efficient yet sleek. Because if it appeals to the eye, people are more likely to buy it for appearance along with convenience.
When we first started off, we thought that the most important thing to have a successful startup was to have an original product that had never been created before. We then figured out that many great commodities today are just remakes or improvements of old products. We needed to find the best material at a reasonable price. We decided on a plastic called ABS P400, which has strong properties and a sleek finish, and because the price for a plastic was not too expensive, this had led us to come to a decision of $7.49 per unit.
Although we are now at a bump in the road, we are trying to figure out how exactly we are going to make our product because a mold was not within our reach. We might need to find an alternative at the moment, but we are still working with the same materials.
We all agreed that our most interesting customer was Mike Schiestel because we ultimately got the most feedback from him. He showed us a different way to go about manufacturing so that we could make our product without a mold, as well as give us a few tips on how to make the product more appealing. We met him when he came in as a guest mentor in our class.
Our business model changed every time we learned about a new topic on our BMC. Each time a coach came in to describe segments of the BMC in more detail, we either added it to it or dramatically changed parts of our BMC. The segments of our business model canvas we had adjusted the most was the pricing because of how many times we changed our materials. We also changed our unique value proposition because we wanted to make sure we made ourselves different from our competitors.
As the semester comes to a close, the most surprising thing we learned was how expensive it is to make a mold, and we were especially surprised of how many times we tweaked our prototype and how hard it was to find the perfect materials, as well as see the elasticity of our customers to see how sensitive they were to our price changing, which narrowed us down to make our price decision of $7.49.